to my channel, and here we are going to be working on the orthographic views of this object, as you can see on the screen. Let's look at the direction of view. We are looking at the object in this direction. That means we are going to be producing the front elevation in this direction, and then the dimensions on the object as we have here. So we have the distance from here to this end here is 105, and then from this point to this point here is 45, and then we have the height from here to here is 75 millimeters. This is square, and we have the dimension to be 15 millimeters for the front elevation. So from here to here is 15 millimeters. So for the front elevation, what we want to produce is this L shape, and also this shape here and this shape here. That is what we want to produce. So we'll be making use of these dimensions to produce the front elevation this object. So let's go and see how this can be. Before we go on that, distance from here to here is 15, and then from here to here is 12 millimeters. So let's start and see how this construction can be done. So what we are going to do, we produce the front elevation, we produce the plan, and also we produce the left end elevation, which should be placed on the right side of the front elevation. So let's go and see how it can be done. So the first that we are going to do is to draw the horizontal line. So I'm going to draw horizontal line all through the whole of this page, and then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So coming somewhere around here, I will draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line just like I'm dividing it into 4 equal parts, dividing the whole page into 4 equal parts. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is that I'll be taking dimension. I'll be taking dimension from this end here, from this end to this side. So that is how I'm going to take dimension, and it goes like this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to take a measurement of 105 millimeters. So I'm making use of this set square to take dimension. This is 100 millimeters. Then I will take 5 millimeters in addition to that. So this is 5 millimeters here. So I will now go in this way. So that's total length. So I will take the height. The height is 75 millimeters of that L shape that we want to produce is 75 millimeters. So having taken this dimension, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that at this point here, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line, just take it up a little bit. So I will take it up a bit and then take it down because of the plan. And then at this point here, I'm going to draw horizontal line that will cut across. So I just take it a little bit to this side, and then it goes to the back like this. So we have this one now. So then the dimension I'm going to take, we want to bring out that L shape that we see. So I will take 15 millimeters up here. So this is 15 millimeters. Then I will come here and take a measurement of 12 millimeters up, as we see it there for the front elevation. So at this point, I'm going to draw horizontal line. I will draw horizontal line, so it goes like this. Okay, then at this point here, I'm going to draw a vertical line. I will draw a vertical line that will also come down here, so that we can get that L shape at once. So okay, so we draw a vertical line down like this. So the S shape is out. So other things that we have to add to this for the front elevation are these. So let's see how we are going to produce them. So starting from here, so we have that from here to here is 45. So first of all, take a measurement of 45 on here. Okay, then and then so coming to this dimension here, they said that for us to get this end here, for us to get this point, we will take a measurement of 18 millimeters. 18 millimeters from here to here. That is what we have. So from here to here, we will take a measurement of 18 millimeters, so that then you can get this line, and then we take 15 from here to here, and this is also, we take 15 from here to here. So it's only this 15 that we have to get. Then you can draw this line and this line. Let's do that before we continue. So let's take a measurement of 18 millimeters. 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters here. Okay, we have this 18 millimeters. then I will now take 15, so 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. Then from this end, I will now take a measurement of 45 millimeters. So this is 45 millimeters here, like this. So let's see how we are going to reduce this. So what I'm going to do now, at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will take a vertical line down, and also at this point I will take a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. Okay, so then I'll just leave this. Okay, for this one I will take this vertical line down, so because of the plan that we are going to produce. So other things that we are going to do here, let's quickly look at that. Now for this point that we have here, so for us to get from, we have to take a measurement from here to here is 30. So for us to get this top face is 30 millimeters, and then so this lantern face that we have here, okay, so for us to get this top face, this face here and this top face here, they are the same level, so we have to take 17 millimeters down. Okay, so we take 17 millimeters down. So and later, for us to get, we need to, because this part is going to be hidden from us, so we have to take 30 millimeters down. So let's quickly do that. So I will come up here, I will come up, okay, I will come here and take a measurement of 17 millimeters. Just let me take it. So 17 millimeters down. So this is 15 and this is 17 millimeters. Okay, so we have that. So at this point I will draw a horizontal line. Here I will draw horizontal line. So I'll draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so I've gotten that top face that we have here. Okay, this is 15. Okay, this is 15. So not okay. I think I took 10. That was wrong. So this is 15. Okay, so here is 15 millimeters. So this line is not supposed to be there. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So it goes up like this. Okay, so we have this. So now, so I can now go and bring out that shape by joining this point. So this is a non-isometric line. So we join this point together with this, like this. And then this point also, we join it together with this point. Okay, so then I will make this surface, I'll make it a thick line from here to here. So we have this. Okay, so and other thing that we have to put here, so there is a part that is hidden from us in the front elevation, which is 30 millimeters down. So we take a measurement of 30 millimeters. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. I will draw a horizontal line through this, and it goes like this. All right, so we have that. Okay, so let's leave it like this for now. So we come back and perfect that of the hidden part, but so we still have this to produce. So we have to draw this. Okay, so and then from this surface here, from this surface to this point is 15. So it is that 15 that we are, once we get this point 15, we have to join it with this. So this is going to form a straight line. It's going to form a straight line. It's not going to bend. It's going to form a straight line. Even okay, let me see how it goes. So what we are to do now is to take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So this is from the surface. It's taken from the surface here. This is 15. It's taken from the surface, and then so it is now joined. So we now join it with this one. So we join like this with this. Okay, so that line is going to be a straight line in the front elevation. This line will be a straight line in the front elevation. It's in the end elevation that we are going to it's going to be a straight line in the front elevation. So we are going to have it as a straight line in the front elevation. All right, so we are going to make this line, we make it a thick line. So make this line a thick line like this, and then this line we also make it a thick line. All right, so then this line is also a thick line as we have it in the plan. Sorry, in the front elevation. Sorry, the front elevation. This line also, so from here to here, is also a thick line from here to this end here. Then, so we also make this line a thick line like this. So this line, so it's going to be a thick line all through. So the line that is bent here, so that will be shown in the plan. It will be shown in the plan. So that's how it's going to be. All right, so we have the front elevation in place. Then this part is hidden as we see it there. All right, so we have this. All right, so let's go for the plan. So let's work out the plan. For the plan, we see this rectangle here, and then we are going to see this rectangle. So we see this surface, the surfaces, and then we also see this surface here. Okay, so let's look at the dimensions. This is 80 millimeters, and from here to here is 60 millimeters. So this length is 60 millimeters, and this is also 15 from here to here. This is also 15 from here to here. Okay, so that's what we have, and from here to here is 30. So we need to work that out. Now let's see. So the first thing that we are going to do is to come down a little bit from the front elevation, and we draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line like this, and then so we are going to take a measurement of 80 millimeters down. 80 millimeters down. So this is here is 80 millimeters. So having taken this 80 millimeters, we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line all through like this. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that you look at this rectangle. This rectangle here is already out, so we have it along this part. So this is the rectangle. So we only need to bring out this rectangle here, which is of length 80. That means you have to take 10 millimeters from here and then 10 millimeters from here. So this 60 will come out, and we have that rectangle. And before we can have that rectangle, I have to draw a vertical line from this point, so that we can have that rectangle. Immediately we take the measurement of 10 from both sides. So we draw this as a vertical line, and then so I will now take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So I will take 10 millimeters from this line down. Okay, then I will come down here, take 10 millimeters from this line up. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So draw horizontal line from here to here. So I don't have to draw it to this side. So I will also draw horizontal line from here to here. Alright, so we have that rectangle within this part. Then other thing that we are going to have here, so we need to bring out this 15 and also this 15. And looking at what we have here, so then we have that for us to get this line, you have to take a measurement of 10 from here to here. And then the same thing also applies to this. We have to take 10 for us to get this. So that 10 is, we have already taken that 10. Okay, we have already taken that 10. So that 10 that we took for us to get this line, for us to get this line, so we have already taken. So we have to take this line forward now. So we take this line, we bring it. Okay, so we bring it to take it down here. Okay, and also we also take this. We take it down to this point. So we now take that 15. So we take 15. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, then we also take 15 from here to this point. This is that 15. So we need to draw this line. So we draw it to this end. Okay, then also, so we also draw horizontal line from here. So we take it to this end. So we have that. So everything that we need is already there. So all we have to do now is to bring out the shapes that will give us the plan. So we draw this as a thick line. So this line also is a thick line from here to this end. Okay, so this line from here to here is a thick line from here to here. Okay, then so now make this. Okay, so that rectangle that we have here is out now. So we also make this line a thick line from here to here. So we make this also a thick line from here to here. So we have that. So other thing that we have here, we are going to have a line, so from here to this end. So we have a line from here to this end. So we have it like this. Okay, so this line all through to this end will be a thick line. Okay, to be a thick line. This also will be a thick line all to this end here to be a thick line. Okay, so we have it like this, and then so this line will also be a thick line all through to this end. Okay, then we have this shape here. Okay, so sorry, so this is where we have it. So we also have it here. This line, so to go to this point, okay, so this line here, as this line is bent, we are going to have it drawn like this. Okay, and the same thing here, drawn like this. Okay, so and then so this will also be this line, as we have it here. So we also have this line being made a thick line. So the same thing applies to this, to go from here to this end, and this also will go from here to this end. So we have it like this. This is how it's going to be. Okay, so so looking at what we have here, and also this line, so this line, so we also need to make this line, as this line is bent here. So we also have, okay, so we come here. So we also have this one. So we have it like this. Alright, so this is what we have as the plan. Alright, so for the top view, this is what we have. So let me show you the parts one by one. This rectangle is here. This rectangle that we have here, this is where we have it. Okay, and then this two squares, so we have them here and here. So this is how the plan will look. All the lines that we have here, they are there perfectly as we see it here. Okay, so this is what we have now. So let's go and draw the end elevation. Let's go and draw the end elevation. For the end elevation, we are drawing the left end elevation. We are drawing the left end elevation. That is what we are drawing. So what we have to do now is to take our 45 degrees set square, place it at this point on the front elevation, and then we are going to draw this line at angle 45 degree to the horizontal. So so every point where this line meets all this horizontal line that we have here in the plan, we have to produce a vertical line from each of them. So we have to produce a vertical line from each of them. So we draw a vertical line here, and coming to this point here, we are to draw a vertical line. We draw a vertical line here. So here we draw a vertical line. So also from this point, so we draw a vertical line from this point up. and then coming to this point, we also draw a vertical line. Then from this point, we draw a vertical line here. Alright, so we have all this. So let's see what we are going to bring out here. Alright, so we are producing the left hand elevation. We are going to see this surface like this. Okay, so we see this surface, and then so we are going to see so this surface will come out. This a little part will come out, and then we are going to see this line, and then we are going to see this surface. So those are the things that we are putting together. This surface, as we see it here, we are going to see it in the end elevation. So let's start and see how it goes. First of all, I'm going to start like this. Okay, so first of all, draw this line. So this line that we have here, we are going to this line that we have here, so we are going to see it. So first of all, make this line a thick line from here to this end here, like this. Okay, so we have it from here to this end, and then so this line, so we are going to make this line a thick line from here down. So from here down here, so we have it as a thick line, and then this line also will make it a thick line from here down, and this line will also be a thick line, so from here to here, like this. Alright, so then this line that we have here from here to here, which is 60, let us trace it. So up here, so we have it up here, and then so we go on this, so we have it up here. So this line will be a thick line all through from here to here. Okay, so we have this. Then now, so we are going to join this point together with this point here. So we have this joined with this. And then we have this joined with this. Alright, so note this. In the front elevation, this will be a vertical line. This line will be a vertical line. So that is what I want to show you there. So it means that we have to make this line. So we have to make it a vertical line. It is from here as we have it. Let me bring it again. So so it will be a vertical line in the front elevation. In the end elevation. In the end elevation, it will be a vertical line, and then we have this shape. Bring it out. So it is from here. It is from here to here, and then so this also is from here to here. Okay, and then so make this line a thick line from here to this end. So that is what we have there. Okay, so what other thing do we have here? Okay, so this the line at this point will be hidden. So we have to draw it here. So it's along this line. So we draw it with short dashes line like this. Okay, so that is what we have there. Alright, so this is what we get for the orthographic views of this block. So this is the front elevation, the top view, and also the end view. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is practice. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.